Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. I am the Actuarial Program Director at Illinois State University. Here is the information about the program if you want to see it. smarturl.it/actuary. Information about me is at smarturl.it/Jedi. And if you would like to offer financial support in form of tax-deductible donations to the actuarial program at Illinois State University, you can do it at smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's an exercise for today for exam FM. On January 1st, 1997, an investment account is worth $100,000. On April 1st, 1997, the value has increased to $103,000 and $8,000 is withdrawn. On January 1st, 1999, the account is worth $103,992. Assuming a dollar-weighted method for 1997 and a time-weighted method for 1998, the annual effective interest rate was equal to X for both 1997 and 1998. Calculate X. So remember that on this examination, the dollar-weighted method always assumes simple interest. Let us write B for the balance in the account at the end of 1997. The dollar-weighted return for 1997 is the change in the value of the account. And the account started with $100,000 and then had a balance of B at the end, and $8,000 was taken out. So the difference between B plus 8,000 and 100,000 is how much effectively was made on the account. And then $100,000 was in the account for a year, so you could view this first item in the denominator is 100,000 times 1. However, 8,000 was taken out for 3/4 of a year, so we indicate this by subtracting 3/4 times 8,000. So this ends up being B minus 92,000 over 94,000, and this is equal to X. The time-weighted return for 1998 was, well, the account started with B at the beginning of the year, and it ended up with 103,992. The ratio of the two is 1 plus the time-weighted rate of return for that year, or 103,992 over B minus 1 is equal to the time-weighted rate of return, so that we get from this that B is equal to 103,992 over 1 plus X. So we can substitute that B into the first equation and get an equation in which only X is the unknown. It looks a bit complicated, but we solve it first by multiplying both sides by 94,000, then by multiplying both sides by 1 plus X, and then multiply everything out, do the calculation. It ends up being a quadratic equation. It says 11750x squared plus 23,250x minus 1,499 is 0. And you use the quadratic formula to get the solutions. One is positive, one is negative. Only the positive solution is feasible, so the interest rate is approximately 6.25%. And that is answer B, and that's the end of this problem. Please remember that this is copyrighted material, and also that past problems from actuarial examinations are used with permission. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.